YouTube channel, and it's your girl Ada Beauty Skincare. So guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you all how to make a natural skin bleach if you want to lighten up your skin, or rather should I say whiten up your skin. If you want this instant whitening, it's a natural bleach. It's not chemical bleach, and it's not an alcohol bleach. This is a natural skin bleach. You can apply it in your dark areas, if your face, your neck, if those parts are darker than your body, so you can apply them. You can apply it in those areas or your bikini parts. So guys, stay tuned, and please, if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, welcome. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because that is the only way you are going to get every of my upload. And thanks to my old and new subscribers. So guys, let's jump into this video, and I'm going to introduce my I'm going to introduce the ingredient which I'm going to use to make this natural bleach. And guys, please pardon me that I think it has been 2 or 3 weeks that I uploaded a video. I'm so sorry. I just lost my dad 3 days ago, so I'm sorry guys, and happy new month to you all. So guys, make sure to watch this video from the starting to the ending, because I'm going to be explaining to you all the major functions of this ingredient that I will be using to make this natural skin bleach. So my first ingredient that I will be using is pineapple. I will be using pineapple, and guys, pineapple is a great fruit. Pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain, which helps to slow down signs of aging, and it helps to sweep away dead skin cells. Pineapple helps to fade out scars. It helps to fade out acne marks. It gives you a good, if you have a cracked lips, yeah, you can also use pineapple on your lips. It's going to help to take out those dead skin from your lips, and it softens and smooths cracked feet. It helps to reduce wrinkle, and pineapple is packed with so many nutrients. It's packed with vitamin C, it's packed with vitamin A, potassium, zinc, magnesium, protein, carbohydrates, fiber, sugar, iron, and phosphorus, also packed with sodium. So guys, this is a great thing if you want to bleach your skin naturally. So you don't need to use any chemical, or you don't need to use any alcohol to bleach your skin or to lighten up your skin. Pineapple is very, very good to lighten up your skin. And the other thing that I have here is potato. Yeah guys, potato is very good. It works effectively well in slowing down signs of aging, especially wrinkles. Antioxidants. It has vitamin C, which can deeply whiten up your skin. And potatoes contain vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, iron, protein, folate, and niacinamide. So this is going to help to treat dry skin, and it's a natural skin bleach that will help to exfoliate your skin. It will help to remove dark cycles for those of you that have under eye dark cycles, and it will help to eliminate dark spots and treat sunburn. So this is a very great natural bleaching. So, and I will be using my rice powder. So guys, rice powder is very great when it comes to lightening of the skin. This is so great. You can use rice powder for if you want to make your face mask, if you want to make your facial cream, if you want to make your body cream, if you want to make even your serum. When it comes to rice, man, this is very great because it has this natural lightening effect. So guys, and the other thing I will be adding is lemons. So I believe everybody knows the functions of lemons when it comes to our skin. Yeah guys, lemons helps to lighten up. It's not lightening, it's even whitening, because lemon has this natural bleaching substance is very great when it comes to whitening on the skin, when it comes to dark cycles, when it comes to pigmentation, when it comes to wrinkles, when it comes to dark spots. And also I'm going to add my coconut milk. This is going to help to, because these stains that I will be using here, they are kind of harsh. They're a bit harsh, so I'm going to be adding my coconut milk to moisturize your skin. This is going to serve as a moisturizer. It's going to serve as if you have honey, you can add honey to it. If you have glycerin, you can add glycerin to it. So I'm using coconut milk because coconut milk is also great in lightening of the skin, and it's also going to help to moisturize your skin. Your skin is not going to feel too dry, or your skin is not going to feel too tight after adding all this natural bleaching to your skin. So guys, stay tuned and let's get to work. And please make sure to watch this video from the starting and share this video with your friends. So the first thing that I will be doing, I'm going to grate my my potato. So guys, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So I'm done grating my potato. So what I'm going to do is to extract the juice. We just need only the juice. We're not going to be using everything here. So I'm just going to take out the juice little. So this is my potato juice, and the next thing I will be doing now is to extract my pineapple. So I'm going to blend my pineapple. So guys, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So this is my pineapple extract that I blend, and I'm going to add it into my potato extract. Guys, pardon me, I'm not corresponding at all. I have a lot going through my mind because of the death of my father, and sorry guys. So I'm going to add 2 spoons of my pineapple extract. Mix it together, and the next thing I will be adding is my lemon. So guys, if you have sensitive skin, you have to be careful when using this natural bleach, because this is going to irritate your skin if you have sensitive skin. So make sure not to apply it if you have any breakage, or for pimples, for people that have pimples, or most people that have pimples. So this is not really good. If you always burst your pimples, this is not really good for you. So this is just for people that have dark cycles. If your armpit is dark, if your inner tight is dark, your bikini side is dark, this is for you. And I'm going to add my rice powder and mix it thoroughly. So guys, make sure to clean your face, clean your neck. Make sure to scrub the part that you want to apply this natural bleach to it. You can see I have some dark spot which I'm trying to cure. So make sure to wash your face, scrub then before applying this bleach. And I use this bleach for 7 days straight. I do this every day straight because I want my face and my neck be to be clear, to be light like my skin. So if you're having dark face, if you're having dark armpit, if you're having dark under eye cycles, apply this natural bleach every day for 1 to 2 weeks. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. This channel is a new channel. I need your support guys. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell after subscribers. So I love you all and thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends. Bye bye.